Hello everyone. Was math not your best subject? Well, chances are we're unintentionally passing that on to our kids. We have Doug Luciani here with Mathnasium of Tallahassee, and oh boy, what are we doing? What are we doing, Doug?
Well, each year we have what we call our math mantras, and this year on our math mantra list we have a don't. Don't be contagious is what we describe it as. A lot of parents, they may not have done well in math, or they have what we call a math phobia, and they're passing that on to their child. They're making comments like, it's okay if you're not good in math, I wasn't either. And certainly I understand you're trying to perhaps make the child feel a little better at that moment, but the long-term consequences of that can really stunt their ultimate growth in the subject matter.
Oh, okay. So definitely stepping on my toes. I'm guilty. I've said that before. I'm that person. So what am I doing when I say that?
You really can reinforce the fact that the child then perhaps can't get better in math, right? And so certainly they may be struggling at the moment, but with the right help, on the right learning plan and on the right learning path, they can find success in the subject. There is no such thing as being wired for math or having some sort of magical math gene in your DNA.
Right.
It's just finding the right way with which to learn the subject matter and staying positive about it.
Okay, so say as a parent, if you're struggling with even helping your child, then obviously you all can help out.
Yeah, we create personalized learning plans for each student. It's not a one-size-fits-all. We want to figure out how to best work with that student, what is the right way with which they learn, and then help them find success in the subject.
Great, thank you so much, Doug.